The rainforest. Climates and weather. The climate of the tropical rainforest is very hot and wet. The average temperature of a tropical rainforest are about 80 degrees Fahrenheit all year around with expectation of cold nights. Landforest. Tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest made up 14% of the Earth's surface. Now there are only 6% left that cover the land. This 6% of the land features mountains, valleys, floodplains, streams, rivers, and a little bit of wetland.
Plants and animals. Plants, orchids, rubber trees, rainforest, cocoa, Venus, and flytraps. Animals. Horror, monkeys, spider, monkeys, sloth, chimps, jaguars, ocelots, and agate. Adaptations. Lots. Camouflage. Fungus. Doesn't need sunlight. Gorillas. Grasping thieves. Poison dart for a bright color. Predator and prey. Will construction. Taper, sloth, poison dart blood.
Oh!
Biotic and abiotic. Biotic people are the rubber and bamboo trees, sloths, anthills, poison, and frogs, lemurs, biomass. Abiotic factors of the rainforest include soil, water, rockies, light, and climate. Ecologic concerns. Power plants and other industries cut and burn trees to generate electricity. Governments and industry clear-cut forests to make way for service and transit roads.
Woohoo! Rainforest!